I never know what to say when I'm starting off my video, so I won't ramble a lot. But if you guys want to achieve this high snatched bun, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share to someone that may need help. And yeah. I'm using the green Eco Styling Gel, and I didn't have a brush to sleek everything like in place, so I had to just use my hand. And then I'm just putting my hair up in a high bun. Don't make it too tight because your head will like hurt throughout the day. Okay, so now that we're in this step is the best part. We're just going to layer our edges. I am using a toothbrush to achieve this look. I'm also using that comb right there also. And I am going in with the Got To Be Blue, the yellow one, because it does lay my edges in place instead of using the Eco Styling Gel where it would kind of get curled up throughout the day. So I just prefer the Eco Styling Gel to lay my edges better.
I do not believe you. Lately I've been trying to find these skies like an eagle. Reading all the signs, oh my, on the scene, no. And I'm never blind, in my eyes is a keystone. Riches and kisses and all these bitches. Lately been faded, controlling my vision. Addicted to splits cause it's all in my system. I wish my decision ain't cause all this tripping. Gotta keep my distance, and I'm in a distant town with different digits. Tell your bitch to tone it down, she acting reckless. I can study up and knock it down like an apprentice. Know I keep my niggas around like some assistants. Call them up and get you surrounded for assistance. I don't think my world is round, I'm in a prison dodging bullets, trying to get to the sound with no forgiveness. I just gotta pray to the clouds when they around. I just gotta wait for the count when they around. They don't see the wisdom, I tell them to see the sound. And we cut it now, so you know what's going down. Going through the phases, not ready to slow it down. Do it for my mama and do it to make her proud. Running for your city cause you know I'm in your town. And we cut it now so you know it's going down. I do not believe you. Lately I've been trying to find these skies like an eagle. Reading all the signs, oh my, on the scene, no. And I'm never blind in my
And then I'm going in with my Unice Brazilian curly hair. I believe this inch is about a 12 inch, but the inches really doesn't really matter because you're gonna wrap it around. And this hair is about a year and some change old, so I really just use it if I want to do a bun.
I do not believe you. Lately I've been trying to find these skies, like reading all the signs on, and I'm never blind, just keeps going. Bitches and kisses and all these bitches. Lately been trolling my vision. Addicted, just all in my system. I wish my decision ain't cause all this tripping. I do not believe you. Lately I've been trying to find these skies, like reading all the signs.
I wouldn't say this is like the hard part, but this is the part where, you know, you kind of just have to play around with your hair just so that your natural hair don't show. So throughout this entire video, you're going to see me like playing around with my hair and how I want the bun to lay. It's your preference on how you want it to lay and everything. I did go in with just about one bobby pin and then a scrunchie.
Nice, pull it up, put it down, show enough. Keep your cool going up. I don't know you all too much. Bounce you down, leave you stuck. Prove a mud. Grinding, so we coming up. It's on it too fucked up. Late nights, pull it up, put it down, show enough. Keep your cool going up. I don't know you all too much. Bounce you down, leave you stuck.
I do not believe you. Lately I've been trying to find these skies like an ego. Reading all the signs on my honesty, no. And I'm never blind and my eyes just keeps going. Bitches and kisses and all these bitches. Lately been faded, controlling my vision. Addicted to splits cause it's all in my system. I wish my decision ain't cause all this tripping.
this hair bun tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope you guys also learned. I did insert a everyday makeup look but it's just something, you know, slight. But if you guys want the full tutorial on this look, leave a comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. You guys gotta engage with me so I can engage back with you guys with some bomb behind videos. So bye.
Et je peux plus me passer de lui. Et tout va glisser sur ta peau, c'est comme si je te passais de l'huile.